operator information will be there. And say you are an operator, and maybe you are from a different time zone. From which time zone you are from? IST or EST or CST. So your time zone information, and see, this is the request page. And say in some cases we may have different local language for different users. Some applications can be used in German language. So from which locally you are from? So that kind of requester information will be present in this requester page. Like say when you last sign on, recently when you logged into Pega application. So that information, see, user time zone, user login time. So this and all will be present actually. See, generally, um, for every operator there will be different calendar. Say if you are from AB, you will be having different holidays. If you are from Karnataka, you may have different holidays, right? So that kind of information will be present actually. See, in some cases, in my last project, what happened was, if I assign a case to you, if you are holiday on that day, what happens is that case will be routed to alternate people. See, in every operator there will be a reporting manager and alternate person as well. If I route a case to you, if you are holiday on that business day, the case will automatically will be routed to alternate person. If that person also in leave, it will route, and again his alternate will be there, right? So it will be keep on getting routed automatically. That kind of, in those kind of scenarios, we can make use of this requester page. Okay, and the next one is result page. Nothing but as he asked the question, when we retrieve the data from database. Yeah, we will retrieve the data from database generally. Once we retrieve that, that information will be stored in a page called result page. In certain format, the data will be stored in it. That format we can call it as result pages. Anyway, we'll see that now. We'll try those things. And the next one is thread page. Nothing but I'll show you the thread page here. PX thread page. In this thread page, this session information will be stored in. What is a session? Say, you have logged into IRCTC for booking a Tatkal ticket now. Even your friend also logged into your same operator ID. Assume the same login. So both are same? No, right? Me session and me friend session different, right? Because you logged in from different mission, he logged in from different mission. So when you log in, your unique session information will be present somewhere. So that we can call it as that information will be present in PX thread page. Mari, when we can use this thread page, అంటే say మనకి requirement ఎలా అంటే we have something called as prconfig.xml. Anyone have idea of WebLogic? In WebLogic or Tomcat, we have prconfig.xml. Actually, all these sessions will be connected to that prconfig.xml in the background. So in some cases, we may have the requirement like only 1,000 people can be logged into my application. More than 1,000, say if you are 1,001 operator, to try to log in, should not allow. In that case, the background system will count the number of sessions at that moment. Number of sessions in only count chastity. If that is greater than 1,001, we can display a kind of message. You will not be allowed because already certain number of users are using your application. So, అలాంటి requirements to use చేస్తాం. Anyway, అది చెప్తే అర్థం కాలేదు. We will discuss that later on. Fine. I can say thread page is nothing but session information will be present in session page. And the next one is data pages. It's recently the data pages has been introduced. And anyway, we have a separate concept with the data pages. In a short sentences, I can say data pages are the pages which contains data. Looks very funny, right? Yeah, that's fact. Data pages are the pages which contain some data. Fine. Let me go through that. The reusable pages are actually once we log into Pega, what happens is, see, data pages will be having certain definition. Say I have a data page for country list and say D underscore country list. See, in this country list, all the countries will be present actually. Like say India countries information will be there. Data pages importance ఏంటంటే if you use the page, then only it will be created. I mean, that is not a kind of static page anymore. Say, some cases we may not use the pages. కొన్నిసార్లు మనం పేజ్ యూజ్ చేయమండి. If it is a static code, even though you use or you don't use, the page will be created, right? Normal అయితే స్టాండర్డ్ కోడ్ అయితే మీరు యూజ్ చేసినా చేయకపోయినా పేజ్ క్రియేట్ అవుతుంది. కానీ డేటా పేజ్ ఏంటంటే if you use, then only the page will be created. If you don't use that for your entire session, the page will not be created. That's good, right? Performance wise, yeah. The data pages came into picture to enhance the performance only, to improve performance of our application. That is one thing. And yeah, I will tell you an example for this. Say we can parameterize this అండి. Pega 7 లో parameterize చేయొచ్చు. కంట్రీ లిస్ట్ అంటే ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కరెక్ట్ రావట్లేదు. యా, say assume that data page contains some districts in the drop down and say లేదా dropping point list and dropping places list on. See, once you log in, from which city you are, once you log in in your requester page, your city will be there. If it is a Bangalore, if it is a Bangalore, what happens is, to this page Bangalore will be passed. Background లో Bangalore pass అవుతుంది. Once we pass the Bangalore as a value, it will load all the values like say 1, 2, 3, Martali, Clipboard, and say in background. Whereas if you are from Hyderabad, what happens is Hyderabad will be passed to this D underscore dropping point list. So automatically Amirpet now just see, rather than getting all the data, see Hyderabad dropping list to Bangalore dropping list to, if you get all the data, it is unnecessary memory wastage, right? So by using data page we can filter like this. Anyway, completely we will discuss later. We have some hands on also on this, no need to worry. Just overall అర్థమైందండి. In brief, data pages will be created if necessary. Okay, so yeah, next we will move on to activities and activities concept. Any questions?
I have one question.
Yeah.
When we logged out to IRCTC but railway